Here in room 172, dream houses are built every day.
Why did you choose to teach architecture?
Well, I was teaching in the computer department, and we were looking for a course that would take the place of one of the courses we were phasing out. And in the course we were phasing out, we taught a lot of different computer programs just to get guys aware and comfortable with those programs. It was non-sustainable because the cost of new programs every year is very high. So we licensed with Chief Architect to get the architecture program and decided to teach architecture as well as the computing aspect so that the guys would get the best of both worlds. And really it just sort of came about. And then after 6-7 years, I've learned the program very well, and the guys seem to really enjoy it.
Coach Woodley applies his hockey coaching skills to what he does in the classroom for an overall better experience.
The first thing they'll learn is the computer program. It's a complicated three-dimensional computer program, so they have to learn to master that program, which is what the architecture class was originally designed as a computer class where the guys learn to run difficult programs. Then they'll learn the basic aspects of architecture and be able to design and build some great houses.
My favorite part of the class, it's really fun to create things and build houses because I like architecture, so it's cool to just be creative in that way.
Okay, what's your favorite project?
My favorite project is probably the lake house. It's cool, making the terrain and putting a lake in and having boats and stuff and having a lake. So it's kind of cool.
Now they're doing a lake house where you're an architect and you have a client and he wants you to build a certain size house on a lake. So they're creating the property and they're building the lake to the specifications of the client, and they're using the software program Chief Architect to do that, which is the three-dimensional program we use.
And what is your favorite project to see your students create and why?
Probably the skyscraper project, either the skyscraper project or the bunker project, because it really gets the guys thinking about the dimensions, three-dimensional terrain and the structure. So up on the screen behind me there's an example of the skyscraper project, but the bunker house project is basically a regular house with a massive bunkering complex underneath that's all hidden by the terrain and like a secret, zombie house.
This is Bergen Templin and Chris Island for RJ Media.